Alright, we got the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport on the side there. Just decided to take the side track, not our group, we just caught up to them. Decided to take the chicken track. You got to watch those chicken tracks. Hey people, we're out in Wombat State Forest. Time for another video. Trying to show you some entertainment and action out there. He's talking to his mate, what are you going to do, this and that. Come on, just give it the berries, mate. Bit of entertainment, let's watch. So this is the 2 o'clock track. Bit boggy down the bottom here, but it should go alright, let's see, eh? Yeah, firm on the base. Beautiful. The side step's got a bit of redesigning today, and goes to show we probably need to get some heavy duty side steps, that's for sure. And we're driving along part of the Great Dividing Trail. I guess you got to be careful climbing out of ruts sometimes because the back stays in, and you get that. As we come down here, we come across this rut. That's what I was talking about. I managed to stay out of it for the most part, but if you don't get it right, the back slid in, and the front got a tree, an old tree that's gone down, so you can't just push forward. Got a bit of a slippery section here, so we're just gonna, that's it. Straight now. Watch out the way, because I might need to walk faster. Might not go to plan. We'll see. Didn't go to plan, did it? No, it didn't work. Straighten up a bit. Now just drive out of it, would you? That's it. Keep it going. Whoa, 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 that's what you got to watch out for. Good practice. Right, back it up gently. All right, let's fix up this truck a little bit more for the next ones. Now just hug that side. Don't come any more this way. Beautiful. Ooh. None of it went as planned really, other than coming out there. Oh, and there's that tree again. Doing it fast. Ooh, a bit low in there, but whatever. Just going for it anyway. Action video, and back into it. That wasn't enough for me. Give me some more. All right, more action. Yeah, got it right at this end of things though. Good. Well, got a bit of a drop in. Well, he's in it now, all the way. He goes, mate, I'm keeping on the gas, mate. I'm not getting stuck here, and runs out by the end anyway. Happy days. That's a four-wheel drive. In the ruts. Beep, 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 beep. That's how to get out of the rut. Oh, wet brakes to make it even more spicy. Bit quicker to keep the traction, I'm thinking. That's the thing, you got to pick your line. I'd get the front coming this way more. Nearly, yeah, beautiful. Just worry about the front, don't worry about the back, see what happens. A little bit this way I'm thinking, but yeah, that's about right. Yep, the back's going to stay up too. Now you're laughing, straddle it all the way. Oh, you would have thought. That's all right. Just pull it out to the... Just go down to the max track slowly and then climb out. Beautiful. That's it. Made mincemeat of those max tracks probably.
I think all the fillings.
Not a bad way to do it really, just come down slowly in the ruts and go out at the max tracks. Yeah, just take it nice and slow like that. Should be able to climb out at the max tracks. Just watch out for the tree when you give it the gas a bit and it launches out over into the bushes. That's the one. Every time, yeah.
I pulled the tree down.
The key is nice and slow. Don't fight it. Everyone's tried different things and it's not working. So just go nice and slow. Almost getting a wheel in the air. Mud and dirt and everything in everything. Terrible. No more wombat for a long time. Didn't I say that last time we did wombat? Mate. See it? Pretty smoothly done though, so that's good. That's how you do it. Alright, lucky last but not least. Oh, I didn't realise you still had standard side steps. Yeah. Wow, they're looking all right, aren't they? Not for long. Just take it slow, mate. That's it. In the ruts is working fine. Slow and smooth and gentle. Didn't want to go, did it? You don't get a lot of choice. All right, that's another track. That's another video. If you want to see the next track, subscribe, turn the bell on. Catch you on the next one. Watch out for wombat in the wet.
I feel like I'm in Camp York, you know, the tally track, Palm Creek.
I know, there's heaps of wet tracks along here at the moment. I don't know what this bog hole's like, but we're about to find out. We're going to risk it for the biscuit. There you go.